Hi guys, it's Colette, and today as part of Water Marble March we're going to be working on this coral flower. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that we're going to be using today are from Finger Paints and Color Club. The bright pink is A Cry Like a Girl. The light orange is Hot 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 Pants. And this kind of duochrome color shifting pink lavender gold is called Rainbow Puddles. I'm going to be using Hot 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 Pants as my base color, and then I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex and tape. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once I've got my bullseye built, I'm going to go in and draw some flower petals, and then I'm going to draw out and turn them pointed. Once you have your design drawn in there, you can go ahead and line up your nails, aiming for the part you like best. Then go ahead and dip in. With your orange stick, clean up that excess dry polish on the surface so that it doesn't stick to your design. And once everything is clear, you can go ahead and slowly pull your nails out. And there's your water marble. I like to use a tweezer to help with the protection. So just get a good grip and then carefully remove that. I'll do some close-up cleanup once I've finished my other nails with a small brush and acetone. Once you're done with your cleanup, you can finish with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished water marble, and these are honestly not like my favorite colors, but I find it kind of interesting how the orange and the pinks kind of blended together and the finished look really comes off kind of coral, which is the Pantone color of the year, and even though that wasn't my intention, I can roll with it. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.